Hello everyone, so welcome back to our channel Immune System. So immune system is the basic defense system of our body that protect us from harmful infections and diseases. So in this video we will discuss about the immunity and what are the types of immunity and immunoglobulins. So let's start with the immune system, in which we will discuss overview of immune system. Lymphatic system. Lymph contains lymphocytes, other WBCs, waste products and debris from other organs. It is the major part of the immune system which contains lymphatic vessel which carry lymph, a clear fluid. Group of lymphocytes are seen in lymph nodes. Spleen and thymus are the lymphoid organs. Next is immunity. It is the ability of a body to fight against infectious agents and other foreign material, and it also protects us from the pathogen and diseases. There are mainly two types of immunity. First one is innate immunity and second one is acquired immunity. If you want to understand the innate immunity, you have to understand the word innate. What does it mean? The word innate, it is made up of two words, in and nate. In means inside and nate means born. So innate is something that you born with. So innate immunity already present before birth. In immune system, it is activated immediately after the exposure to antigen. It is non-specific type. External component of innate immunity: skin, mucosal barrier, body secretions such as saliva, tears, HCl. In the stomach, normal flora of the body. Internal components of innate immunity: inflammatory response, phagocytic cells and natural killer cells, etc. Next one is acquired immunity and adaptive immunity. So adaptive and acquired immunity developed by an individual during its lifetime. So it is not present since birth and it develops in response to an infection. So that is called acquired immunity. So this has mainly two components: humoral immunity, that is antibody mediated immunity. B lymphocyte is responsible, and cell mediated immunity, in which T lymphocytes are responsible. So you can see in this picture immune system, it is divided into two: innate, inborn, non-specific defense mechanism, and second one is acquired adaptive specific defense mechanism, and is also known as third line of defense. In innate immunity, external defense, that is first line of defense, and internal defense, that is second line of defense. In first line of defense, there is a physical barrier. Physical barriers are skin, mucus, nasal hair and cilia. Chemical barriers: oil and sweat by sebaceous glands, stomach acid or low pH, that is gastric juice, cerumen, airwax, lysozyme in tears and tissue fluids, vaginal bacteria producing lactic acid, that is low pH. In second line of defense, there is phagocytes, macrophages, and WBCs, that is neutrophils and monocytes. Second is inflammatory reaction, fever, interferons, complement system and natural killer cells. In acquired immunity, there is two types of immunity, that is active immunity and passive immunity. In active immunity, in contact with antigen, in which T cells, that is cytotoxic T cells plus helper T cells plus suppressor T cells plus memory T cells. And in B cells, there is plasma cells plus memory B cells. Third is antigen presenting cells, macrophages, B cells and dendritic cells. In passive immunity, antibodies artificially produced outside directly injected to the body. No contact with the pathogens. So let's start with the difference between innate and acquired immunity. So innate immunity, no time lag, action is immediate. In acquired immunity, there is a lag period. In innate immunity, not antigen specific. In acquired immunity, it is antigen specific. Innate immunity has no memory, but acquired immunity development of memory. Innate immunity presents since birth and acquired immunity develops after birth. So next one is types of immunoglobulin. Immunoglobulin types, that is IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE and IgD. So you can remember this as a game: GAMED, IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE and IgD. So in types of immunoglobulins, firstly we'll focus on the IgG. So you can see here IgG is transferred from mother to the fetus. So it mainly found in all body fluids. They are the smallest but most common antibody. So it is mainly 75 to 80%, and IgG antibodies are very important in finding bacterial and viral infection. So IgG is the only antibody class that significantly cross the human placenta. So this is the mnemonic for you guys, that is capital G, mother big G, and small g, fetus little g. So this is the mnemonic. Next is IgM. It is made by a newborn. They are found in blood and lymph fluid and are the first type of antibody made in response to an infection. IgM antibodies are about 5 to 10% of all the antibodies in the body, and they are biggest in size, so called as macro antibody. So next one is IgA. IgA mainly prevents attachment to viruses and bacteria to epithelial cells. It about 10 to 15% of the antibodies present in the body are IgA antibodies, found in areas of the body such as nose, breathing passages, digestive tract, ears, eyes and vagina. IgA is present in colostrum and body secretion. And the next is IgE. It involved in inflammation, allergic responses and combating parasitic infection. Antibodies are found in the lungs, skin and mucous membranes. IgE antibody levels are often high in people with allergies. Last but not least, that is not in the slide, IgD. Antibodies are found in small amount in the tissues that line the belly or chest. That's all about the topic. So this is the basic overview about the immune system. So friends, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching this video and we will see you in the next one.